At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. I want to take a look at my screen, my wisdom warriors. Take a look at this beautiful resort. This resort is called the Four Brothers Paradise Island Restaurant and Bar. And guess what? It is located in Greenwood, St. James. It is 15 minutes from the airport, in Montego Bay. Yes, me dear. So guess what now? If you guys want to experience the best resort in Jamaica, you can give Four Brothers Paradise a call on 416-996-5804. And don't forget, my people, that it is on the beachfront and it is gated. Yes, my dear, it is gated with lots of parking and type of events. Not to worry, because guess what? They cater for the elderly too. So if you're an elderly person, you can book a relaxation senior holiday and experience of unforgettable moments right at Four Brothers Paradise. Well, how can I forget the children? Four Brothers Paradise is a beach holiday where kids and grown-ups alike can do as much or as little as they want. Four Brothers Paradise is all-inclusive resorts, offer plenty of inclusions and ways to enjoy time together. So to all my viewers and subscribers, if you want to have a relaxation time at Four Brothers Paradise, all you have to do is contact this number, which is 416-996-5804. You can find them on Google. You can find them on Facebook. My wisdom warriors, do you know what the best thing about this? Four Brothers Paradise, they are a part of the Wisdom Warriors team. Yes, man. They are a part of the Wisdom Warriors team. So, my people, all of my traveler them in the diaspora, all of my travelers them, when una go Jamaica, me want to reach out to Four Brothers Paradise Resort. Me want to give them a call because see for them place stay good. For them place really stay good. So if a relaxation say, if a vacation say, Four Brothers Paradise is the place to be. The Child Protection and Family Service Agency says the teen boys seen in a video sexually assaulting a schoolgirl have been charged with several offenses, including rape, forcible abduction, knowing and producing child pornography, and distributing child pornography. The video, which came to light sometime last week and has been circulated on social media platforms, shows the 13-year-old girl being physically abused while being sexually assaulted by the boys. So my wisdom warriors, most of you guys probably seen the video. Yeah, if you don't want to see the video, it is in the WhatsApp group. However, I don't know, so I can't show the video over here. I have to follow rules and regulations, community guidelines. I don't know the thing said. Anyway, I want to really think about that video, my people, because I tell you, when I see it, I was like, what the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? That video that was posted was very disturbing. Was very, very disturbing. I'm here, so the mother, I tell people to take down the video. The mother, for the boy, I tell people to take down the video, yeah, because our son innocent. This is what I heard, You can't imagine? When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors, I threaten TikTok to remove video because our son innocent. You can't be a mother, All she need to get locked up to. All she need to get locked up to. You understand me? Them something right. Them something you know right. You send your pitney go to school for learn. And then your pitney do all these type of things. And then on top of it, you turn around and threaten people about them for take down video because your pitney is innocent. My wisdom warriors. I say I want them hold she, you see. I want the police go lock her up and prison her backside. She too out order. She too out order. Look on them, my boy pitney. Look how much of them. It is wrong. What the hell is going on? Me say when me see it, you know, my wisdom warriors, when I see the video, me say I could never Jamaica this. And that me I say, you know, me right to the whole. A Jamaica to backside. It is really, really sad. Me can't believe so them are something I read. Well, maybe these things are happening, you know. And we don't even know. Maybe these things are happening, my wisdom warriors. And just because that one was video and somebody put it out. You understand? Boy, something alright. Something alright. It is sad. And I really feel sorry for the little girl. I really feel sorry for her. You don't see how the boy have thump up and a fight the pitney. My box cover. They see them? Them forget life. Yeah, seriously. Them forget life. A demon turn up in a them. Mighty God of Daniel. But when you tell me what you think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The St. Anne police on Sunday arrested a man in connection with the seizure of an illegal firearm and ammunition during an operation at Laycock Street in Limehall. The man is being held on suspicion of possession of prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. When I hear that, my wisdom warriors. So man arrested for illegal firearm and ammunition in a sentence. Anyhow, my viewers and subscribers, before me go any further, Juliet Cockburn Fling posted this on her page. We observe the violence against women and girls. This is what she said, you know. She said, we observe the violence against women and girls. However, we must ask ourselves if we are paying sufficient attention to the plight of fatherless boys and the societal environment that devalues women. So Juliet Cockburn, since as I love chat, you come out here and a chat off your mouth. So you tell me, say, for the 9 years, we're in power, I observe, we just realize now. Wait there. Remember she saying, no, we observe the violence against women and girls. Yeah, however, we must ask ourselves if we are paying sufficient attention to the plight of fatherless boys and the societal environment. My wisdom warriors. Seriously. Why you not going to take Delroy Chuck to publish the sexual offender registry? Why you not going to tell Delroy Chuck to do that? At least that we help. At least that we help. You know, come out here every day and go on like you care about Jamaica, and Jamaica mean a lot to you. Jamaica don't mean nothing to you, girl. Jamaica don't mean nothing to you. So what are you talking about? The last time I check, you did encourage underage pitney for breed. The last time me check. So we at hello? My wisdom warriors. Yeah? So basically she has said all of these violence are because a pitney they no father. And that you tell me? And that really tell me, you know how much pitney a father and mother grew up, yeah? And them still encounter violence? Are you being serious? Sometimes when you come out here and you don't know what you chat say. You chat too much. You come out with your mouth full of lie. You come out with your mouth full of lie. Look at what happened to that young girl. Look what happened to that young girl. How much boy hold her down. Look what happened to that young girl. And many more we not even know about. Many more we know about. And many more we gone missing. And we're out here pleading with you. PNP out here pleading. Yeah, the opposition leader, Angela Brownberg, come out and telling us if we publish the sexual offender registry. Me no hear you talk about that on the conference. Me no hear you talk about that on the conference, you know. A lot of things me no hear you talk about, you know. Because you no talk about needs. You no talk about employment. A lot of things me no hear you talk about. So wait there. So all of this violence is going on. Yeah? People are kidnapped. People pitney. Woman gone missing. Pitney gone missing. Yeah? Pitney I get sexual abuse, women I get sexual abuse, men I get sexual abuse. Yeah? But what me can understand, the main thing one to do, una nan do. So how una out here going like say una care about the Jamaican people? You need to publish the sexual offender registry. Go and go tell Delroy Chuck and Andrew Holness that. That is the main way to protect them. But we not hear nothing from you. So how no go and like say una care about the Jamaican people? How no go and like say una care about the Jamaican people? Una care about yourself because a whole heap of raper boy in the Jamaica Labour Party. Whole heap of raper boy in the Jamaica Labour Party. That's why una cannot publish it. Una fi publish it. Publish the sexual offender registry. And that una fi do. Una out here talking about observing and this and that and that. Observing but una not do nothing. Una not do nothing. You see one Juliet Cockburn Flynn came out and talk about human trafficking. You came out and said that child trafficking happened in Jamaica, but yet you not do nothing about it. So what una talk say? What una talk say? My wisdom warriors, me not understand she. Me not understand Man Royal. Seriously, I don't get her. I really don't get her. She same one came out and talk about child trafficking happening in Jamaica, and not one day me hear them do a press briefing about it or a press conference about it. Not one day. They not even talk about it in a day conference. Enough things they not talk about. Me not even hear them talk about the Samoa agreement. Only thing so we are idiot. But yet to get up off of your ass and chat about we observe whatever the violence. Wanna sit down and observe from what kill fill up and nobody not do nothing. Una not do nothing. 11 picnic gone missing from phone care, from the government care in the space of 2 months. 11 picnic and we not hear nothing about them. And una never do no press briefing about that. So why you tell me, say Juliet Cockburn Flynn, you chat too much. You chat too much. You come out and tell pure lie and chat pure shit. That me I talk about. Huh? Really? I want to go on like I care about Jamaica. That's why when I see the green people, them a follow behind. Me have to really laugh and say them really don't know what is going on. Them lost. And Andrew go frig on up. On easily fit team. On green people. On easily fit team. 1 box food and $5,000 kitchen. 1 box food. 1 curry goat soup. And 5,000. I saw the worthless man. I saw the settle for little and nothing in a life. Jesus. Boy, no wonder when the blogger them attack and you see the people then come out and I try to explain and you can't have any understanding, because if 1 box food and $5,000 can make you move mountain, mighty God of Daniel, you know what this bad. You don't have no ambition. I don't. My wisdom warriors, you know, remember when Delroy Chuck come out and say Thomas people don't have no ambition? That's the labor right. You know, remember Delroy Chuck came out. Delroy Chuck came out and say Jamaican people don't have no ambition. He know why him say that. Him know because the same supporters them in a party I go for $5,000 and 1 box food. No wonder why the man talk like that. You never see smoke without fire. Boy, he terrible. My wisdom warriors, take a look at my screen because I have to show you the proof. I don't want to nothing say like me I tell. Government committed to eradicating child trafficking. This was said by Juliet Cockburn Flynn. So when you hear me I talk, my wisdom warriors, I know what me I talk about. I know. State Minister of National Security Juliet Cockburn Flynn says the government is committed to eradicating child trafficking. That means eradicating means stop. Yeah? Stop something from happening, basically. Or try to destroy something. Yeah, that it means. Minister Cockburn Flynn says the nation must prioritize child protection, bolster legislation, improve law enforcement, and allocate more resources to combat child trafficking. Juliet Cockburn Flynn said this, last year, August, And who she tell for do all of this? Juliet Cockburn Flynn came out and talking about child trafficking. That's why I say, Jamaican people, not listen good. Child trafficking is going on in Jamaica, but yet on a low on a pitney if you walk up and down Pan Road. On a don't take telling. And on now listen when the government attack. Because Juliet Cockburn-Flynn came out on public platform and she talk about it last year. And bet to say half of you never or even maybe 99% of you never hear about it. So when me always encourage you to try and protect you pitney. If you pitney go to school, make sure you them alone and walk go to school. Amount of time I try to encourage you. It's a reason why me I tell you all of this. I said it, I said child trafficking is happening in Jamaica. Juliet Cockburn-Flynn came out publicly and she spoke about it and she want to stop it. So when me hear she now come out and talk about observe, a long time them observe, them know about this child trafficking, but nobody do nothing. Nobody do nothing. So when she say we should do more, who she attack? Because the government need to do something. The government need to do something. But they're not doing nothing. I mean, I hear them talk about that in a them conference. Hello? My wisdom warriors, I want to take a look at this because I mentioned it earlier, but I never show you the proof. So take a look at this. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has come out to provide clarity following backlash on social media after State Minister Juliet Cockburn-Flynn was captured on camera presenting gifts to a 14-year-old mother who gave birth to twins on Christmas Day. Who remember that? Who remember that, my wisdom warriors? A 14-year-old girl pregnant and have twin. And who we see a handover gift? It was Juliet Cockburn-Flynn. Juliet Cockburn-Flynn was the same very person who come out and said she want abortion to be legal. Juliet Cockburn-Flynn was the same very person who came out and talked about how she want abortion to be legal. Because now, you know, abortion is not legal in Jamaica, you know. You didn't know that. Abortion is not legal. So when me are telling you, say, Andrew Holness is following the Biden agenda, me people, me Jamaican people, me want to listen good. Andrew Holness not talk about that. Him not talk about that. Member good, you know. Member good. So Andrew Holness is out here to carry out the Biden agenda. Where Juliet Cockburn-Flynn come out and talk about she want abortion, she want abortion, she want abortion. But you not see the same type of agenda with the Samoa agreement. Yeah. My wisdom warriors, Jano. I just choose some people now read up and then follow up. They not even watch parliament to know what is going on. They don't even know what is going on. Unless the Labour write them out of them conference and jump up. They don't know what is going on. They not have no sense. They not even know what Andrew One is up to. I'm sorry for them. Let them stay there. Anyway, taking this.
The thought of the return of a PNP government make me tremble.
My wisdom warriors. Hey, I sat have them under manners over Portland there. I sat have them under manners. You don't hear what the man say? The man say the thought of PNP back in power make him a tremble like a leaf. Hey, Daryl Valls, you not start tremble yet. A nervous breakdown you go get. You not start tremble yet. You stay there. But you not come with boss. But you not come with boss. You not try fall. You not try fall. What kind of game you not really playing? What kind of game? Me telling you all the while what Jamaican people want is justice. Me telling you, justice them want. And justice them a go get. And I sort of bring that to them. Time come, my wisdom warriors. Want to tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out to make you stop laugh. And subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Run go over to my other channel, my people. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Remember, if you follow me on TikTok, you know, appear things are going over there, so, you know, and X appear galangins are going over there, so. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press and PNP News Round. Blessings upon blessings. One love.